Okay, guys, I'm going to do a quick review of the last 3 homework assignments, and this is meant to be a quick review. I'm doing this differently using the document camera, so I want you guys to let me know tomorrow if this was better or worse than the tablet. So the first question, number 7, says, account for each of the following observations. Atomic size decreases from Na to Cl. So what's going on here is Na has less protons, thus its electrons are not as attracted to the nucleus. Okay, we can think about this. We know that Na has 11 protons in its nucleus. We know that chlorine has 17 protons in its nucleus. This is pulling harder on the outer electrons, thus it's smaller. Number 3, boron commonly forms BX3 trigonal planar because boron has 3 dots. Okay, if there were 3 other atoms, say like hydrogen, would attach like so. So we're going to get something with 3 lines and no lone pairs. If you look at the chart on page 64, 65, or 66, it will let you know that this shape is trigonal planar. For C, it says the first ionization energy of K is less than that of Na. So we're talking about a vertical. We're talking about horizontal here. We're talking about vertical here. So we can say that K's electrons are further from nucleus and more shielded from the nucleus. If they're more shielded, they're going to be easier to remove. Okay, guys, we're going to move over here to this next problem. Okay, in this next problem, what we're looking at is a chart, and in a chart, we're looking for jumps. In this, we're going to go A, D, and F. In A, which element is most metallic in character? That's most to the left, and that's going to have the lowest ionization energy. So when we look up here at the chart, the lowest ionization energy is element 2. So that's going to be element 2. All right, D, what is the expected oxidation state or charge of the most common ion of element 2? So where is the jump? The big jump happens between 1 and 2. The big jump happens between 1 and 2. Element 2 is +1. F, a neutral atom of which of the following 4 elements has the smallest radius? So smallest radius, we're looking for the largest ionization energy. And the one with the largest ionization energy in this case is element 1, because largest ionization energy would be more to the top right. So that's going to be element 1. And let's go over the very last one. Okay, it says write the equation for the ionization of atomic fluorine. Okay, this is something we haven't gone over in class, but there's atomic fluorine. Ionization is losing an electron. It's going to take it to +1. And when we balance this, we're going to have to do that. Account for the fact that the first ionization energy of atomic fluorine is greater than that of oxygen. Okay, so fluorine has 9 protons in the nucleus. Oxygen has 8 protons. Thus, fluorine pulls on electrons more. All right, you couldn't see me writing that. So fluorine has 9 protons in the nucleus. Oxygen has 8 protons. We could think of 9 and 8. So fluorine has 2 energy levels. Those are closer than oxygen's, which are farther away. All right, guys.